Hi friends, I bought this rig for my camera. Yeah, I will specify the uses and advantages and disadvantages of this rig. Yeah, that one. This is from the company Yantralaya, and it cost me around like 500. I have searched it so much of time to buy it. In online I have seen that like a small rig company is making the things for camera, so I thought to give this a try. I bought it. It's good only, but it got some positive points and negative points too. Okay, positive points here, you can use a light, any external light here, light or flash, anything you can put, and you can use a mic here or here, anywhere you can use mic, and any other extra accessories you can put. You got three outlets like these three, and these three are good. I've used it. I am also using to put a power bank on it to directly charge my camera. Yeah, it's working well. Metal and all is good. It's looking good. The finish is good. What can I say more than that? And the positive points are that much. Okay, you know, I researched it for so many days. Like first I thought to buy a small rig, but it cost is like 1,000 and all like that. Yeah, more than 1,000. But it got only two outlets, but one is directly connecting to the hot shoe mount, and another is it will come like either left side or right side, it will come like that. But I thought it is good. It got three, and it will directly connect to the hot shoe like this. It will go to the hot shoe like this one. Yeah, and if you place that in that hot shoe, tighten the screw and you can use it as you wish. But now I am gonna saying some negative points about that. Like if you place that there, like it will come like here like this. See, it will be like this. It will be like this, and in front of the screen it will be like that, and it will block the vision. If you are into vlogs and all, if you are vlogging, you can't see your face by if you place any mic and all, it will block the entire screen and you can't use that. But if you don't place here like this, you leave it like this, and you can place it here or this side, then you can easily use it. then also it will block a little bit, but it's good. It ain't blocking entire screen. Maybe in the future Sony will change the position of that hot shoe, or they will release some new models. Let's see. And yeah, that's what it's about. Those are the positive and negative points about this rig, Yantralaya. I think so many people are also using this thing, and there are lots of other things in Amazon, I find, like another companies are also there, but this small rig is good. Small rig, everyone is using, like so many people are using for small rig, but this one is cheap and best if you are looking for affordable thing. And just for metal they are costing like $1,000. I don't think that much is necessary to spend. This is better, you can use it. Just in, it will come in around like 500. You can use it, okay, and no issues. That's how it will be if you place that rig on that. The screen will be partially blocked like this in V shape, okay. That's it. That's it for today. Like, comment, subscribe and share. You thought I will say only 3? Nah, that ain't gonna happen. Do all the 4 things. If you're watching this, you do all the 4 things, okay. That's it, man.